I'm in 5th grade, Salem Crain. I have 2 different teachers, Miss Mitchick and Miss Osborne. The only thing that really gave me inspired me, I like games, and I don't really understand how you could make one until, well, I found this, I want to do a platformer, because there's a lot of platformers on Scratch, and when I found Microsoft, there was this tutorial on platforming. I liked it a lot. I really enjoy coding for one specific reason. Very fun to make my own games. This is a game I made. I just like to make stuff. I made this maze for my science project because I was like, well, let's mix things together. Science project plus favorite thing to do, which equals a fun science project that would be super fun. Last year, I think we had Scratch. I was thinking, this is a very cool thing. Only if we had some way to make games on Scratch. And then I found Microsoft MakeCode Arcade, and it changed everything. I want to be a computer programmer that makes games when I grow up, and I had a really cool idea about something called the chain shifter, and I'm still actually experimenting with it.